everyone, welcome back to Young's Garden. And this video I'd like to share with you how to recycle your wreath, seasonal transformation. And this little clip I would like to share how to decorate your wreath and of course reuse the wreath for any occasions. And it will be very fun to actually see the difference and not throw your wreath away when the season is over. You can recycle it and just use different flowers. This would be a great way if you have a budget. You can recycle the flowers. Unless you prefer real flowers, that is fine too. Here I'm just giving my kids some snack and treats so they can leave me alone for a little bit while I decorate. So here is few badges, and of course you can always come back and get more if you don't have enough. Here is my original Christmas wreath that I left, and of course spring is in and April is in session, and of course you have your Easter and all the flowers are coming out. So I chose really nice fresh pink, combination pink and white, and I'm starting out here with white. You can just spread it all around. It doesn't have to be a pattern. I prefer like just no symmetric, because that will be too unnatural. You just want to flow, just kind of bring the flowers and just let it flow, and bring it all around the wreath as it look naturally. Just simply follow the wreath shape, and that's pretty much it. It's very easy. I'm just mixing up all the colors, dark pink, light pink, and white. And you really don't want to go over three colors, three main colors. And of course, add some leaves in between. The leaves will be a filler, so it will be nice and full. And here is well, not the finish, but just to let you see how it looks. And of course my Easter sign, happy Easter sign on both sides. And I got all this at 99-cent store. If you haven't noticed, each flower was not 99 cents. It was actually $1.99. Very big, and it looks very, very nice. Somehow my camera can't really capture the detail of it, but it is gorgeous. So here I am. I'm just adjusting the flowers just to let it shape all around the wreath. Just kind of follow the wreath shape and you will not go wrong with this. It's pretty much explanatory, very easy. As you can see in my example, just kind of spread out the white, the pinks. You can put it next to each other, that is fine, but this is basically very easy to put together. Here I'm just adding more leaves just to fill it up. And you can never go wrong with a lot of leaves. Just stick it in there. And of course you can always use glue, glue gun, to kind of keep it nice and still. But because I'm gonna remove it every holidays or so, I don't want to use glue, just because it's easier to pull out the flowers. If there's windy days like Santa Ana wind, for example, you can take off this wreath and put it back into your house. Here I'm just grabbing more flowers. I had to go back to get more flowers to fill up the side. because it looks kind of empty on the side. So you can always do that. And here's my fillers. These are some more bright fillers that I like to put in. You can choose other color like maybe purple, but I like to stick with pink. So this will actually pop. It's just very small flowers that goes in between your main bigger flowers, and it just fills up the small space, and it looks more dimensional, more 3D. It looks way better. And this, I chose a little darker color so it will pop. Like I said, you can choose darker colors or darker than this, like purple, or but don't go like maybe blue or yellow. Maybe yellow, but like I said, up to your preference. I love pink. That's my favorite color, so I like to kind of keep it in between the the colors range. So here it is. If you like this, don't forget to subscribe and like for more updates. I do plant trees, and I also love to arrange them. I'm very girly that way. I love to do things. My hands are never still. They can't sit well if I don't do anything. So this might be too much. This can be an option. You can put this right in the middle of the wreath. I did try it, but it was kind of too much, I noticed. So just step back and kind of think about it a few days. If you don't like it, you can always remove it. I end up removing it because I thought it was a little bit way too much. So it's really up to you. So I took it off, and this is how it looks. Okay, bye.